Here's my completed sled for the table saw. I'll show you how it slides in and out of some grooves I cut into the table. There's a large work table where we keep our trailer. There's a box in the back that is there to keep the saw blade from coming through, and it is blocked at the other end to prevent the blade from going right through the sled itself. Crank the blade up so you can actually see it. There we go. And from the side, you don't normally have to go back that far. It's designed to take up to a 24-inch piece of plywood or material. And that's it.